Hi kids! Welcome to Mr. Book and Me Stories, where stories and creativity come alive. Today's story is about Penelope Pig and her planting project. How to grow a magical garden while discovering the secrets of patience, care, and hard work. Let's join her on this fun adventure. Penelope Pig lived on a sunny farm, surrounded by nature's beauty. She loved to dig and root in the dirt, but today she had a special idea. She wanted to plant a magical garden.
Imagine a garden so colorful, so full of life, that even the butterflies would throw a party.
Penelope got straight to work, digging the perfect spots for her seeds. But she wasn't alone for long. Her friend Wiggly the Worm wiggled up to say hello.
Hiya, Penelope. What's all the digging about?
I'm planting a garden, Wiggly. But I need to know the secret to growing the best plants.
Wiggly, being an expert in all things soil, had some wise advice for Penelope.
It's not just about planting seeds. You'll need patience, care, and a little bit of love too.
Penelope watered her seeds every day, but nothing had grown yet. She began to feel impatient.
Why aren't they growing yet? Did I do something wrong?
Don't worry, Penelope. Plants take time. Keep watering. Keep waiting. It's worth it, I promise.
Penelope decided to listen to Wiggly. She sang songs to her seeds, told them stories, and even danced under the moonlight to cheer them on. Days turned into nights, and Penelope's hard work and patience finally began to show. One morning, something magical happened. Her first sprout appeared.
It's growing! Wiggly, look! My garden is starting to grow.
See? Patience and care always pay off. But the work isn't done yet.
Wiggly was just as excited, but reminded Penelope that this was only the beginning of her gardening journey. Penelope cared for her garden with love and dedication. Slowly but surely, her hard work began to show.
Here you go, little plants, some water, a bit of compost, and all my care. Grow big and strong for me.
That's the spirit, Penelope. Keep it up, and soon your garden will be bursting with life.
And then, after weeks of hard work, Penelope's garden burst into life. Bright red tomatoes, crunchy orange carrots, and towering yellow sunflowers swayed in the breeze.
I did it! Wiggly, look at my magical garden! It's even better than I imagined!
Penelope's patience, care, and hard work had paid off, creating a garden full of life, color, and happiness. Penelope's farm friends gather around the garden. Farmer Duck claps, and Goat Granny admires the tomatoes.
Penelope, this is the most beautiful garden I've ever seen.
And those tomatoes look juicy.
It wasn't easy, but I learned something important. With patience, care, and hard work, amazing things can grow.
And so, Penelope Pig discovered that growing a garden wasn't just about planting seeds. It was about patience, love, and effort. Through her hard work and care, her planting project became a blooming success.
You can do it too! Just take your time, show your plants some love, and watch the magic happen!
Whether it's a garden, a dream, or a goal, patience and care can help anything grow. Keep planting, keep dreaming, and remember, great things take time. If you enjoyed the story, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more magical stories. See you next time.